Hi everyone, this is a video about this Rode Lavalier Lapel omnidirectional condenser microphone, very mouthful. Anyhow, this is a very quality Rode microphone that, I was looking to purchase a proper small lapel microphone, and then I saw the prices of the Lavalier Go, Rode Lavalier Go, and then it was up to £60 somewhere. It was even more, but I come across this one and I thought, okay, I'll buy this and see how it goes. And up to now I am very happy about this, but there are some stuff that you should know, that as soon as you buy this you have to purchase either the Micon 2 or any other Micons, in fact, or Micon 5, which is this one, that we are going to have a look at this. But what I needed was this one that is just screws to the top of, to the end of the cable here. So this, it comes with a waterproof case, which is very rugged, and some sort of rope that you can use it for whatever reason. I don't know where you want to use this, but still is good to have this. And then you open this really hard because it's waterproof. It has a gasket there, and you have a dead cat for for the windy situations. And then you have your microphone, your cable. With this cable is a Kevlar in there, so they are advising you to be very careful with that. And this is the microphone, and let me just show you. This is the end. This is the part that I told you that you should know about. When you purchase this, you think that you can, use this as it comes, but unfortunately you have to have either one of these or one of these to use some sort of professional, high voltage appliances to this. And then let me just show you what it comes in the box. It's just this, that this one is plastic, and it has a clip that you have to position your lavalier microphone in there, and there is nothing here anymore. And you have some place here to put, for instance, your Micon 2, which is 3.5 millimeters jack, that you can use this with your wireless Go as well. So I'm using at the moment wireless Go, and I'm really happy with that. But sometimes you need a little bit of a space between yourself and your microphone. Let me see if I can make this to focus. Yeah, and it's very tiny, very convenient to hide it anywhere that you like. And then it comes with some sort of cable management that it says Rode on the top. And then you have some sort of a spanner, because at the end of here, as you see here, you have some sort of a spanner form that you can tighten it with this one. But I didn't see anywhere the use to use that. And then you have two wipes to just wipe the tip of the microphone between every single user, and that's really it. I fully recommend this, but unfortunately the price is very expensive. The price of this varies from £150 up to £250. It's crazy, really crazy. And without these, you have to purchase this. For instance, this one's price is under £20, and this one's price, the Micon 5, is within 25 up to 35 pounds for this, and this one is metal. And if you look at this, this is the place that you connect this tiny piece into there, and then this is all metal, and it has 3 pins to carry high voltage to your microphone and from your devices. And when you purchase this, you know, it comes with all of these pieces here there, but I couldn't find this piece. I don't know what this piece is really, but I couldn't find this. If anybody knows what is this one, please let me know in the comment section. And for your information, I just put the pieces that it comes with. This is here. Lavalier microphone head, anti-trauma, water-resistant storage case, which is this one, and then is shielded detachable Kevlar. This is the Kevlar cable, and adapter sold separately, which means this and this sold separately. And these are the specifications if you are interested. And that's really it. And the price, for instance, just to show you the price of this unit that I am just showing you, is £214 and £13 for the postage and packaging. So it's very dear, so it must be something really, really special. And this is the clip that you can put this in there, and then, you know, clip this to the side of your lapel or your shirt or wherever, and it has the road written somewhere there. You can see to check the authenticity of this. But in general, I wanted to purchase the Lavalier Go, but I come across this and I thought, okay, let's have this one. But in addition, I have to purchase this. This one is also all metal and is not opening from any sort of like normal 3.5 millimeters jack, but it fits the wireless Go devices. And this one, you know, is for professional use with professional appliances, that it can carry high voltage to your microphone, as I mentioned it before. So I don't know, because of the price of this, I am reluctant to recommend this unless you are a professional, you know, photographer, or, you know, person who wants to have top-notch quality sound recording. But other than that, I would recommend you to go and purchase Lavalier Go, which is very simple. It comes in a simple bag, and in that bag you just have the clip and you have the cable with the attached 3.5 millimeters jack that is fit to any sort of wireless Go or any sort of Rode appliances. So, I mean, for the price view, I am going to recommend Lavalier Go, and that's really it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.